Hello to all of you, my lovely students in the 8th grade. How are you today? Welcome back to my English lessons. It's me, your English teacher, Iman Al-Jafari at Al Farouk Academy.
In our lesson today, we are going to start with some activities that you have in your workbook page 15 and 16. Some activities are related to the comparative and superlative form of some adjectives. Other activities about the word spelling with OI and OY. And we have some activities related to the sentences that contain because. And now let's start with the first activity. Use a dictionary, write the comparative and superlative form for each of these adjectives. Here we have the adjective friendly. As I told you, to compare between two things and we have short adjective, you are going to add R. Because we have Y here, we are going to change Y into I, then you are going to add ER. So friendlier, and the superlative form is excellent, friendliest. If the adjective ends in Y, we change Y into I. Big, here we have a short adjective that is preceded by a vowel. So you are going excellent to double the final letter, so bigger than and the biggest. Here we have early, adjective that ends in Y. So you are going to change Y into I, earlier and excellent, earliest. Healthy, healthier and healthiest. Busy, busier and busiest. Notice here we have some adjectives that don't follow the rules, like good. Here we have the comparative form of good, better, and the superlative form is the best, okay? In the second activity, we also have some irregular adjectives. So notice here, the comparative and superlative form of bad is worse than and the worst. يعني هدول يتم بدك تحفظهم حفظ لأنهم ما بيتبعوا القاعدة. هدول صفات يا مس لما نحولها إلى مقارن وتفضيل بنحولها لكن بتكون حالات شاذة. ما بنحط لها لا ER ولا EST. Little, less and the least. What about far? Far, excellent, further than or the furthest. What about well? Well يا مس هي الادفيرب من good. إذا كانت الجود نحط لها better and the best نفس الشيء well راح تاخذ better and the best. Okay? Now we are going to start with the first activity related to the spelling rules of OI and OY. Here you are going to fill this blank with OI and OY. زي ما حكينا بالحصة السابقة يا تامن، إذا كان الفراغ في وسط الجملة بدك تحط OI، إذا كان الفراغ في آخر الجملة بدنا نحط OY. هلا إذا كان الفراغ في وسط الجملة وتبع بحرف علة you are going to put OY. So these are the spelling rules of OI. هذول المقطعين بنلفظهم باللغة الإنجليزية all. So the first word is choice, excellent. The second one, annoy. The third, enjoy. 4, spoil. Royal. Notice here we have A after these two letters. لما يكون يمس هاي two letters بعدها إجا حرف علة عطول حطينا OY. Joint, excellent. Destroy. Point and voyage, excellent. The last activity on this page, use each word in a sentence of your own. They ask you to put voyage in a sentence and we have loyal. هلا هدول الكلمتين لو انتبهتوا عليهم يا تامن هم كلمتين اجا في وسطهم OY. ليش؟ لانه اجا وراهم حرف العله A. هلا انا ما بيهمني تحط جمله عليهم، انا اللي بيهمني انك تكون عارف معناهم. So voyage it means a long journey and loyal means faithful. يعني هون مس voyage هي رحله طويله، اما loyal بمعنى شخص عنده انتماء او ولاء او اخلاص. اوكي، مخلص. The last activity in our lesson today is about the use of because. As I told you, because is a conjunction that is used to express the reason. Write a full stop at the end of the complete sentence. هلا بدك تقرأ الجمل. إذا كانت الجملة معطيتك reason clause و result clause في نفس الوقت وكان المعنى مكتمل حط full stop. But if we have only reason clause, we need result clause. Choose the best ending from the box for the incomplete sentences. زي ما حكيت لك إذا كان شق because وحيد بدون شق result clause بكون المعنى incomplete. فهون أنت معطينك بالبوكس result clauses تختار المعنى المناسب للجمل الغير مكتملة. Let's read the first sentence. Because we still weren't ready when a taxi came to fetch us. هلا اجى التاكسي حتى ياخذكم لكن انتم ما كنتوا جاهزين. Do we have a complete thought? Because we still weren't ready when the taxi came to fetch us. إذا we need a result clause. هون المعنى مش مكتمل. شو بدنا يا تامر؟ بدنا result clause. شو كانت النتيجة؟ لأنه إحنا ما كنا جاهزين لما التاكسي إجا. So my dad was very cross. Your dad was very angry. Why? Because you weren't ready. So here we have reason clause or subordinate clause or dependent clause. هلا because هنا شق because قد يسمى كمان مرة dependent clause يعني شق غير رئيسي أو subordinate clause أو reason clause. Because we still weren't ready when the taxi came to fetch us. Dad was very cross. It is the result clause. هاي النتيجة أو main clause أو independent clause. Number 2. Because Sam was careless. لأنه سام شخص مهمل. He broke his sunglasses. If I ask you, where do we have the reason clause? Because Sam was careless. Excellent. He broke his sunglasses. It is the result clause. هون في عنا النتيجة. جملة مكتملة ولا مش مكتملة؟ إذا بدنا نحط جنبها complete sentence. هاي جملة مكتملة عشان هيك انتبه يا تامن حطينا full stop. Because grandma doesn't like tea and she doesn't like juice either. يعني جدتك لا بتحب الشاي ولا بتحب العصير. So do we have a result clause؟ هل عندنا النتيجة؟ No, we don't have result clause. So it is incomplete sentence or incomplete thought. هذا المعنى غير مكتمل. So what can we add from the box? Excellent. Mom made her coffee. إذا إمك عملت لها اللي هي فنجان القهوة بدلاً من الجوس والشاي لأنها هي ما بتحب لا الشاي ولا الجوس. So شو result clause؟ Mom made coffee. 4. Because the chair was old and one leg was broken. الكرسي كان قديم ورجل مكسورة للكرسي. So do we have result clause? No, we don't have. You are going to choose one from the box. Excellent. Mom didn't buy it. هل إمك تشتري كرسي مكسور؟ No. إذا لأنه الكرسي كان مكسور Mom didn't buy it. Because Ben is lazy. He doesn't play basketball well. So we have the reason clause. Because Ben is lazy. Give me the result. He doesn't play basketball. If I ask you, why doesn't Ben play basketball well? Your answer will be excellent, because he is lazy. So here we have complete sentence or complete thought. So you are going to put full stop. Okay? Okay, my lovely students, I will stop here today. This homework for you to do exercise 2 in your workbook page 16. Only I need you to do exercise 2 and don't forget to copy the correct answers. Thank you very much.